In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PowerPoint to Claude AI. So first and foremost, you need to be on the Claude desktop version. Unfortunately, this is not going to work on the web browser. So you need to make sure you have Claude desktop, which you're able to download completely for free on the official Anthropic website. Another thing you need to know is that this is only going to work on macOS devices. Unfortunately, if you're on a Linux or on a Windows, it is not going to work. It is currently only for macOS only, but of course, that is always subject to change. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom left, select on your profile picture, select over here where it says settings. Then select over here where it says connectors. Once you're here, please select on browse connectors. Then you guys are able to go ahead and look up Word, or what you could also do is you can go ahead and filter by popular. And it is right here, PowerPoint. So you can go ahead and also use the search bar in order to look it up. So there you go. You're able to go ahead and press on it. And then this extension allows Claude to interact with Microsoft PowerPoint on macOS, enabling presentation creation, slide management, and content editing. So again, if you have a macOS device, then you're going to see this option over here and you're able to go ahead and install it. Afterwards, it is going to open up PowerPoint, and then PowerPoint is going to ask you once again to confirm that you want to connect to Claude AI. So be sure to be ready to do that, and you may even need to go ahead and log into your Microsoft PowerPoint account. So please be ready to do that and have that on standby. Afterwards, you should be good to go, and you can go ahead and configure the settings to your liking. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.